Hello, freelancers. Imagine working with the waves of the ocean in the background. In this section, we will be sharing with you some amazing freelance gigs that allow you to work from anywhere. Whether it's your cozy home or a tropical beach, get ready to find the ultimate work-life balance. Today, we're diving into the world of online translation jobs with one of the most reputable companies out there called Davron Translations. Davron Translations guarantees tailor-made translation services that are perfectly adapted to the context. To begin the application process, simply visit their website. Once there, click on the Work with Us. You will get all the details you need to apply. For those of you looking for more translation and interpretation opportunities, we have a PDF book that contains over 1,000 translation and interpretation jobs. It's available for purchase at ko-fi.com and also on amazon.com. Check the link in the description and take your skills to the next level. If you want to watch more videos like this, please check out this playlist.